PTFE-lined steel piping systems are ideal for handling corrosive fluids, commonly used in industrial and manufacturing processes. The strength of steel housing provides mechanical integrity, while the plastic liner provides chemical resistance. PTFE-lined carbon steel piping systems are most cost-effective than exotic alloys and provide better corrosion protection as compared to unlined stainless steel. SPS West is the exclusive Western Canadian distributor for Baum Lined Pipe and fittings. Why should you choose Baum Lined Pipes? Baum's paste extruded liner permeates much less than other PTFE manufacturing techniques like ram extrusion or isostatically molding. Paste extruded liners have a smoother surface, which means easier cleanup and less organic growth. Its super mechanical properties, such as greater elongation and tensile strength, lead to low crystallinity, which means it has less tendency to crack. Baum complies with ASTM F1545-15A and ASME B16.5 and B16.1 standards. Baum also offers PTFE, PFA, ETFE, PVDF or PP liner options. SPS West's process piping and thermal solutions include plastic lined steel pipe and fittings, plastic lined steel valves, PTFE lined flex hose, hygienic pipe clamps and supports, woven PTFE spray shields, custom plastic lined steel static mixers, and specialty industrial heating solutions. For more information, call 403-239-8570 or visit our website spswest.com.